Hi, this is Nelson Ranch. So I have the new outfit for Tamachan here. I like how the clothes that she's wearing eventually will be passed down to her younger siblings. Okay, let's do this. So I seriously thought about pulling for Major McQueen, but I pulled these tickets and I got nothing out of them. So this for the support card. So I've got 0 tickets now. But because I got nothing out of them, I was like, all right, I'm not gonna pull for McQueen. Turns out that I made the right call here. um, the new support card, Sounds of Earth, is basically a better version of Super Creek. Right, Super Creek has been available from day one of the game, and she's been like the top stamina card all this time, and now finally we now have a stamina card that's slightly better than Super Creek. And this is because she has this recovery skill that's going to happen right in the middle. So this skill is as good as Maestro of the Curve, and even better, if you don't need this skill, you can actually use this, and she will jack up your stamina with her stats. Basically, Super Creek I think doesn't have this, but she has the bonus here and the same amount of training bonus. Super Creek also has the same amount of race bonus. The difference is Super Creek doesn't have the skill point bonus. So, I'm gonna pull for her. I mean, I think I have to. I basically I went through this game with no stamina cards. So I'll show you my stamina cards. So this is the stamina cards that I currently have. I actually managed to pull, what do you call it? Tarino Gimlet stamina card through one of the daily pulls, but I didn't, pull for her, actively. It just fell into my lap. I think this came as part of like a free pull thingy, but I mean, as you can tell, aside from the cards that you can get from doing the various missions, the so-called welfare cards, I have 0 cards at level 50 from the gacha, at least in the case of stamina. The best card from the gacha that I have is actually this card at level 45, the Sakura Chiono here, and it's not that good. I suppose right now this card is usable. Many people use this card because it's now a scenario link, but I can't use her because she's level 40. This is in contrast to my power cards, where I have actually 3 gacha power cards. So this is one, Admire Vega at level 50. This is another, Yaino Muteki at level 50. And this is the third, King Halo. I rarely use King Halo, but I use this Admire Vega and this Yaino Muteki very often. I use the Yaino Muteki primarily when I have to go through, what do you call it? When I'm making parents or grandparents, because she gives you a lot of good skills. El Condor Pasa, well, if I don't use the speed card, I could use this card, because at level 45 she's also very, very good. But I'm not going to use her because I would use the speed card. And in terms of guts, I have 2, I believe. I have this Measure of Palmer at level 50. And I have... whoops. I have this Echinodictus at level 50. So that's actually pretty good too, right? I have no other guts cards from the gacha. Although I have 3 level 40s here. I would have preferred to have gotten this card to be maxed, but this is like an early card, so I'm not gonna bother putting my effort into doing that. And in intelligence, I have 1 card here from the gacha at level 50, which I don't use anymore. I used to use this card a lot. I have this card. This card I still use if I do like a chaser, This is like a chaser specific card. This is part of the reason why I didn't really bother chasing after Mr. CB. Once I realized that I had this, it's like I'll just use this. I'll just use the combination of this and the power Admire Vega, and then I can get the skill from here. So, you know. But I also have this Nice Nature. I have this Serious Symboli, and of course I have this Measure Limon. So I have a lot of like intelligence cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from the gacha. Part of the reason why I was also slightly hesitant on the Measure McQueen, although in the third anniversary there's a good chance that I'll like, exchange with Measure McQueen, because she's probably going to be the best speed card still at that time. This is level 45, Yukino Bijin. It's slowly ramped up. But her ability doesn't change that much from between level 35 and level 50, so you know I didn't take a high priority there. This one also like slowly crept up to now level 45. I've never used this card. I have used this card for parents and grandparents because she actually gives interesting skills that I could use for short distance. And the other card that I would consider, you know, beefing up would be this card here, Mihono Bourbon. This card, and if I can get the intelligent version of Asta Machin, then that would be good. My speed cards are actually pretty good. I have to admit at this point, having pulled for Jungle Pocket. This is level 50, El Condor Pasa. That's 1. Marzenski is level 50, that's 2. Tachyon is level 50, that's 3. Kita-san Black is level 50, that's 4. And not Katsugi, is one next to it. Jungle Pocket, level 50. So I've got 5, you know, fully functional, you know, fully maxed out speed cards. Plus, I have speed cards that I would use. Like I would use this card for you know, making parents and grandparents, and possibly even for the real thing. I use Tachyon for parents and grandparents too, but I also use this card for you know, Air Shakur for chasers, and I use this card as parents and grandparents because not that one. This gives me either right turn or left turn, and I get to decide. So, you know, it's part of the chain, and usually you get to the second chain, so it's actually quite useful. So I'm actually quite happy with the speed cards at this point. So clearly the part that's really weak is the stamina card. And most people, if they've been playing from the very start of the game, or they're early on in the game, they have fully maxed out Super Creek. And if you have a fully maxed out Super Creek, I really don't think you need to pull for this card. But as you just saw, I have 0 copies of Super Creek. And because I have 0 copies of Super Creek, I think it behooves me that I should pull for this card. I'm going to go at least 1 ceiling, and if things are looking good, I might actually go for the 2nd ceiling immediately. But let's do this, right? So, Sounds of Earth. A very good card, right? Better than Super Creek, the best stamina card we've got. So here we are. Yeah, alright, this is the gacha. Okay. Ooh. Alright, so 2 new cards, 1 SR and 1 R. Not that it matters. This is a Guts card. I haven't even bothered looking at it. But I'm probably not going to use this card because I have, you know, good Guts cards. Alright, so that was the first one. Let's see what we get for the second one. Sounds of Earth. Here we go. Oh, come on. Ah, jeez. Alright, okay. Let's move on. Time to pull. Here we go. Sounds of Earth. Come on, pop one more. No. Okay, Versina. Tap Dance City. Teamapro. Papa Mort? No. Versina again. Yeah, I'm gonna max out Versina very quickly at this rate. That's like what? Three Versina cards now? Alright, here we go. Okay. Pop, pop. No. Tachyon again. No pop. Okay, 0 SSRs after 40 pulls. This is below the average. And yet one must pull. Come on! One more time? Now I think I may have maxed out Versina. I'm going to actually check now. Yeah. Okay. So that's done. So I can max this. Well, actually, I'm not going to bother doing that now. Alright, let's do this. Back to the gacha. Here we go. Come on, please. One more time? I really hate pulling for support cards. I don't know a single person who actually enjoys pulling for support cards. I mean, the fact that you have to actually pull 5 of these suckers for it to be fully effective is just brutal. Oh, finally! Okay. Oh, 2! Alright, good, good. Special week. I'm gonna write this down to keep a record of what I got. No! Okay. Alright, pull one more time. I think Special Week is now level 45 on my side now. Okay, 2 out of 80. Should get one more when we hit 10. There's a 3% chance of pulling a SSR support card. Come on, what happened to you? 3%? Oh, that was the new R version of Versina. Yep, it is. Alright. There we go. Okay! Right on schedule. I Nice! uh, I'm going to cry if I get only 0 copies of uh, Sounds of Earth. If I get 0 copies of her, right? Although Rice Shower is good. I mean, I've been wanting to like max out Rice Shower if possible. So, all right. So 3 support cards out of 100. I'm right on schedule. Here we are. So 3 more to go. Come on, pop one more. Yes. Okay. Come on. Not this Nishino Flower. I mean, she's a good card. As a speed card, she's actually very, very good, but not what I was expecting. Ooh, okay. Oh, Manhattan Cafe, nice. Okay. I've been wanting this card. This is actually a nice card to get. This is actually not quite nice. One more time? No. So that card was nice. Alright. Pull one more. One more time. Meyer Vega. One more time. No pop here. And pop. No pop. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards so far. I pulled 5 cards and 0 copies of Sounds of Earth. How does this happen? Come on, this is just cruel. And Sounds of Earth, come on. Tons of Ursinas. Okay, 50 more pulls before the first ceiling. Come on. Okay. Okay, come on. It's gotta be now. Okay, finally. No. God dang it. One more? I mean, that Maya is actually a very powerful card, so it's actually nice to have, but... Come on. Oh, okay, 2! No! And Special Week has now hit level 50. I mean, how many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cards now, and 0 Sounds of Earth. One more? A ton of Racinas. Dang it! Okay, might still pop, might still pop. No. Okay, next one is gonna hit the ceiling. Duh! No, seriously. No, seriously, I mean... ah! How do I get 8 SSRs, which is actually better than average, and get 0 Sounds of Earth? How does this happen? Alright, I'm going to start the second ceiling. I have enough to go our second ceiling, so I'm going to start going now. Okay, pop one more. Pop? No pop here. Pop? No pop. Alright. Come on! Oh my god! Okay, one more time? No. When I saw that like list of 9 blanks, I was just like, holy cow. It's the same as last time. And now 30 pulls. Alright. Let's get that cake. Come on! I'm tempted to hit this button. Yep. Alright, here we go. I need to get 3 SSRs of the first 100, please. This is insane. Well, actually, I got 3 gold. Mm. Okay, hopefully one of these pops to... not that one. This one? Come on, one more? Please? You know, if they would just move slightly to the side for each. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. This is just... Okay! Sounds of Earth! And I already have Palmer at full max. That one has just now turned into a horseshoe. Yeah. I like that Helos is here. Okay, I gotta hit 2 more SSRs. Okay, one's here. Which one? I don't know. It's gotta be this one. Finally! Okay. Sounds of Earth. 1 copy here. Hot damn, it took so long. Alright, 1 more copy, here we go. Okay! Yes! Here? No. Here! Come on, Sounds of Earth! No, not you! Tatsuda-san! Well, okay, that's 3 out of the 100, so I'm right on schedule for this one again. Pulling 1 more time. Here we go. Pop 1 more. I mean, if they change Tazuna-san to like giving concentration guaranteed, I think people might use her. But as of this moment, well, actually, no, you can't, because you can't use 2 friends at once. I mean, you can, but it's not a good idea. Sounds of Earth, come on, pop. Oh, okay. This one, this one. No, who is this again? This version of Diver Scarlet. I forget, one is guts and one was power, right? This one is the guts version. What does she give? Yeah, alright. So this is a runner card. Running out of my free jewels. Okay. So that's 4. No pops. Okay. Oh, just two. All right, Sounds of Earth, please. No. I think that's, I forget. Int card? Okay, next one. 間違いなく来たら。I have to say, my luck is good. It's just that it's not giving me the right cards. Okay. And I'm out of free jewels. Now I'm starting using, what do you call this? Paid jewels. God dang it. Oh man. Alright, here we go. Let's do this. Oh! Okay! Yes! Sounds of Earth. Second copy. One more? Ricky. Okay. Pull one more time. Yes! Two! Yes! Sounds of Earth, 3 copies. I think if I go to the ceiling, that's it. I'm done. And actually, that's 4, and I'm actually done now. At 380. So I'm gonna go back. Exchange 5 versions of Sounds of Earth. I don't have to pull anymore, and I'm gonna get 180 damn suckers. But what do you call those things? Yeah, clovers. Totally useless. So let's take a look at what I got. Let's look at the haul here. Alright, so this is... I'm actually not gonna... If I actually pop up this... Yeah, it's gonna cost money, so I'm actually not gonna do that. What? Mada mada yareru yo. Okay, this one not yet. Alrighty. Nice. Sounds of Earth. Maxed out. Nice keine Tannhäuser. And this is now maxed out. I mean, I don't know what I would do with it. I suppose I could use her. I mean, I know she's a very powerful Guts card. The only problem is that she has this possibility of giving me the lower version of the gold skill, which is like why I don't really want to use this card. The skills are good if you can actually get the gold skill, and the support ability is actually pretty good too. Yeah, training 10. Yeah, this is actually a powerful card. What else? Take shuttle. This is an SR card, so I'm gonna pop that. Marzinski. Oh, I only have one. What do you call that? I think it's it used to be called the supercars. It's a Lamborghini, right? I think. So this was a power card. What does it give you? Oh, Senpuku Taisei, okay. Oh, you know. Oh my god, my money is now down to 290,000. So Rice Shower is now level 35. Oh, is this a... Kind of Fukukitaru is now level 40. I know some people like to use this card. Wait a second, I'm down to 196. It's only 16,000. Am I gonna survive this? No. Level 40. Yes, I'm gonna survive this. And this is the last one. Okay. And pop this to level 35. Whee! So if I try to beef up my rare cards, probably towards the bottom, like this one here. Yeah, see, I and this one here. Yeah, I would have ran out of money if I had done these first. Yeah, I am out of money. So I need 80 plus 80, 160 plus 70, 230, almost $250,000. Alright, so I just have to expect that I'm going to lose, that I'm going to get up to $250,000 money and then it's all going to go away, so only if I get to over $1 million again I'll have to start worrying about that. But this was a nice birthday present, I suppose, because how many SSR cards did I get? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 plus 4, 17 plus 1. 17 support cards. Holy cow! And I suppose if I want, if I'm really desperate for what do you call them, horseshoes, I can pull twice. In fact, if I do dailies and do one more pull, then so if I get to like 1300, I can actually pull this once and then do like 10 dailies, and then I can get to the second ceiling and I can get a horseshoe instead of having 180 of these clovers, which is totally useless. So I might do that. um, yeah, 'cause 10 days, what's gonna happen? In 10 days, yes, I should get 1,000 because season 3, 2 episodes of season 3 will show up. So 1,000 plus 200, yeah, I'm easily gonna get 1,500 easy. So I might do that, but that's for another day because I don't want to spend this as much as possible. Hui. And Tap Dance City is a runner, and I have enough runners as is. I would pull her if she had concentration, but she doesn't have concentration, so I'm not gonna pull for her. Having, you know, runners need concentration. It's just one of the skills that they require if they want to be a good runner. And if they don't start with concentration, that basically means I'm doomed to use Aston Martin as a card, and I don't really want to do that. So, all right. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change my profile from this to the newest one, which is, I imagine, towards the bottom. Actually, no, this is all speed cards. Oh no, this is all SSRs. Where is she? Where is Sounds of Earth? I don't get it. Oh, I know why. Take that away. Towards the bottom. Here she is. I gotta pop that in. That would be all the. This basically means that these are cards that I got from the gacha, the carrot there. So I'm going to make that my new support card. So there you go. And I think I want to put that there. Put that there. Yeah, and I gotta actually beef up these as well. Was there anybody else that I need to pop? So this is all SSR. Yeah. So that's from the gacha. From the gacha. This is from the gacha too. Oh god, I forgot about the SSR level 1s. If I have to beef these up, yeah, I'm gonna need more than 1,000,000. I guess I have to basically do a lot of runs. Queen. And I shouldn't borrow because the more I rent, I have to actually pay money. But that's actually nice, because if I have this, then that basically means that I can get this skill, the acceleration skill for leaders. I didn't get the Gold City, or I didn't get Chaos Miracle from Guts, which is unfortunate, but you know, still, it's not that bad. Where'd Rice Shower go? And I'm actually quite happy about this. I could actually, you know, pop that in the future. Rice is at level 35 now. And something else also. Oh, here it is. Asian Flash. So Flash, Rice, Nation of Flower. Yep, level 40. Manhattan Cafe, 2 Daiwa Scarlets, Palmer, Sons of Earth, Tazuna-san here, Air Groove. I think I already. That was not a new card, so she should have been checked off. Where is Air Groove? I don't understand. Where is Air Groove? Oh, there she is. Okay, Air Groove. Machikane Fukukitaru was already checked off, I believe, as well. Just can't find her. Speed. Where am I with Machikane Fukukitaru? There she is. Level 40. Yeah. So if I do this, only the gacha cards are now available. So the good news is I actually didn't need to use any of my crystals. Right? So I'll have 3 crystals soon. I've got 2 crystals right now at 60. I'll have a total of 3 crystals. So, and I've got one of these suckers still left alive, so I could use this to exchange something else. So 3 crystals plus this exchange, and that actually means I get a fully functional Manhattan Cafe. But I actually don't need to do that because I was actually working on Oguri here. So this is a rented Oguri. And instead of that, I can use Sounds of Earth. Should be towards the bottom. There. And then I borrow Man Cafe. Bang! Done. Either that or, you know, I have Manhattan Cafe here and I borrow Speed Palmer. And with Speed Palmer I can get the recovery skill. But I don't need Speed Palmer because I can get the recovery skill from here. So, you know. This is actually very good. And what that means is I could save that thing so that if I need to, I can get Intelligence Machin and jack her up to level 45, or I can get what do you call her? Guts Gold City, jack her up to level 45, or I could use the 4 things and bump up Bourbon to level 50. So I've got 3 options, and you know I'll cross the bridge when that bridge arrives. But for the moment, this is actually very good. I'm actually quite happy with this. So there you go. This is for Arima Kinen and for Betweeners, right? Because this skill basically either gives cooldown or Mugamuchu. So I can get the Mugamuchu for the acceleration for Betweeners. And this skill will give me either Hayate Ichimonji or Kote Nisoku. And if I'm using Oguri, then all I need is actually the first version of the straight line recovery. And then because, you know, Oguri is going to have like 3 white recovery skills plus the 3.5 from her unique skill. This is the Christmas Oguri I'm talking about. So she's got plenty of recovery skill that I don't need to worry about. In which case I can get the I can get the speed skill from Sounds of Earth. So, you know, there you go. So, quite happy. Alright, it went down for almost an hour. I'm going to stop here and I'll end with this. And with this. I'll go with this one. Okay, thank you. Take it easy, guys. Bye-bye.